You guys, silverGameOfThrones here. You know, I always like to learn something new, and from time to time I play with Fibonacci. I believe the Fibonacci is one of the most Fibonacci retracement. Simple Fibonacci retracement. You know, everything what is simple in our life is it has more truth than anything else. And I was playing, you know, this Fibonacci, and I try to simplify it. And I say like this, okay, let's find some criteria which can tell me, you know, what are levels of Bitcoin to expect in 2021. Because we have all this history, right? And I'm doing very simple. I try to understand when we had the major, you know, first of all, I try to understand where was the point of failure. And where was the peak. Okay, so I started from 2011. This is a full, you know, trace of Bitcoin. It started from 2011, 2010, I think. Okay, I found out, you know, just simple, you know, on TradingView, put index BTC USD, and you will have this full history of Bitcoin. It's not from some, you know, from some dealer. It is just an index of all Bitcoin history. So if you see here, and this is 2011, 2012, when we have first peak, and it was like $28, right? So let me mark it here. So this is first peak. You see here, it was something like $27, and it was a bottom. Okay, it was like $2. Okay. So what I am interested to see, you see it went up and then went down, and they started the next bull run. So when we started next bull run, when it was a retracement. So when I did Fibonacci from 1 to 0, and I'm interested, you know, in two basically Fibonacci levels. 1.618, I told you many times, 1.618 is like a magnet, is one of the strongest. And then I found out that the peak was on 227 something, 2.3, let's say 2.3 Fibonacci. You see here, right? So again, I'm taking Fibonacci from the peak, okay, to the bottom, next bull run, you know, when it was bottom, and then we started next bull run, where was the second peak, okay? I think it's clear, right? So from peak it's 1, from bottom is 0, then I Fibonacci show me that the first kind of retracement, this is the retracement which I am looking. Why? Because I believe we have retracement now. That's why I try to understand what's going on. You see, the first retracement was on 1.618 level, okay? This kind of unbelief. Oh, well, you know, the bull run is finished. Okay, I'm done, I'm out, right? Like many said. Many on my channel said like 60,000 was peak, I am out. Okay, so you see, maybe, so let's find out. So 1.61 was the level when it started to do retracement. But then the final peak was up to 2.3, 2.4 levels, right? This was in the first bull run. So let's say, you know, take in consideration this, you know, what we found out. Let's see what was the next bull run, which started, you know, which was from 2014 up to 2017, right? So next bull run, I do the same. I have a lowest lower. And I have the peak. Okay, again, from the lowest, which is 0, I'm taking Fibonacci to the peak, and I'm getting two numbers. I'm getting 1.618, okay, here. You can see 1.618 here, right? And then I have 2.27, the same level, 2.27, and it's coming to the peak, guys, you see? So we already see that twice, you know, Bitcoin did the same. On 1.618 level, it was kind of retracement after first bull run, like kind of unbelief. So I'm, you know, my bull run is done. But then it was a final leg, to 2.3 levels, okay? Final leg 2.3 level. Same exact thing happened in 2014-17, right? So the 1.61 level, it was a first retracement, you know, first or second retracement, but it was retracement, right? Like, okay, we reached a peak. And then on 2.3, it was a final peak, which was around $20,000. You see, it is a little bit lower than this, but we have a little bit spark more, because this is like a 17,000, but we have more. I believe here it was a little bit lower, but then we have a little bit sparks here, right? More. It's normal. So we will try to understand what will happen in this bull run. So in this bull run, I did exactly the same from previous peak and previous low. So previous low, you know, for me it is like a zero, like $3,000. To from this low to previous high, which was around $20,000. So this is zero, this is one. So I'm taking Fibonacci from to this level. And what I'm coming to? I'm coming with a 1.61 level, which is $64,000. Amazing, guys. Amazing. $64,000, it is 1.61, which before on any Bitcoin bull run was a first retracement. A first retracement here. 1.61 here. 1.61 and again here. 1.61. So what is telling me that if we do the same what we did in 13 years, in 14, 17, that we should expect somewhere around 2.3, and 2.3 is $300,000. This level which is coming is around $250,000, guys. 250K, okay? So this is, okay, this is like based on history. Now, we don't know when it will happen, okay? It may happen this year even, it may happen next year, but I believe something like this year and next year, beginning of next year, big wave is coming, okay? The big wave is coming here, guys, which will complete this bull run. And then based on this, we can see what will be retracement. What will be retracement, you know, based on, you know, on this. We can also learn this, now how much was retracement. Because if you look here, the retracement was below 1618. You see, below. The retracement was below 1618. So I believe the retracement will be below $65,000. So somewhere between $40,000 and $60,000. Okay, let me mark this. Let me mark this. I try to find out what the tool was. The tool. Rectangle. Okay, so I believe this level is where we see retracement. Okay, and this level where we are coming. Okay, this year or the next year. Okay, so this has two levels to watch. Okay, so it's very easy, you know, based on history to understand, you know, what Bitcoin is happening, what will happen to Bitcoin, you see. So, as I always say, big hole, do nothing. Okay, sometimes it's the best to do nothing, okay. If you have your crypto, just relax, and all this drama, Bitcoin going up, Bitcoin going down on 10%, 20%, who cares? Who cares? They want your Bitcoin, guys. They want your best crypto, Zcash, ETC, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Digibyte. You know, they will do all possible for you to say goodbye to your coins, okay? I see much highest levels for Bitcoin, guys. I see much highest level, okay? So, just based on history, you know, what I show you here, we should expect much highest level, above $200,000. Okay, so when? Probably in this year or next year, half of the year. This is my you know, my guess. Again, this is my guess. But and then it will be retracement for the next couple of years up to you know, up to $40,000-$60,000. Between $40,000 and $60,000 will be a next bottom, okay? It can be nice if this can be done, right? So just be cool and, you know, all the best, guys, okay? If you like what I'm sharing with you, you know, pay attention, guys. It's all real stuff here, okay? I try to simplify. I like simplicity. I don't like any bullshit. I just build my charts based on history, okay? So I don't care monthly, weekly. I don't care. I expect Bitcoin much, well above, you know, $150,000, okay? So let's see what will happen, guys. Yeah, if you like, please subscribe, hit notification, help my channel to grow. I will be sharing with you my thoughts. As always, all the best. Bye-bye.